As a state, Hawaii has boldly committed to 100% clean energy by 2045 and zero-emission, government-owned light-duty fleets by 2035. Electric vehicles are the future and can help owners save on fuel and maintenance costs while reducing carbon emissions and reducing noise pollution. This holds especially true for companies with fleets like bus operators. Hawaiian Electric wants to make the transition to electric buses easier through its new pilot program, Charge Up eBus, which will simplify and reduce charging installation costs for bus operators. Under this pilot, Hawaiian Electric will take care of the design, permitting, installation, and maintenance of all the electrical infrastructure up to the charge station. That means lower upfront costs and fewer things to worry about. If you have a site on Oahu, Maui, or Hawaii Island that could serve as a primary location for charging equipment and e-buses, and have the ability to purchase, lease, or convert at least one electric bus and charge station in 2022, you may qualify for this program. To apply to this limited pilot program, visit www.hawaiianelectric.com/chargeupebus to download the program handbook, an application form, and supporting documents. After an application is received, Hawaiian Electric will conduct a site visit to assess feasibility and develop a preliminary design plan. Once approved and agreements are signed, we take care of permitting and building out the electrical infrastructure. All you need to do then is permit, purchase, and install your charge station. Plug in, and you're ready to hit the road. Hawaiian Electric looks forward to partnering with you on this transition to a greener, better future. Our team is here to help you through the process. Please reach out to us at chargeup@hawaiianelectric.com.